Imagine paying for a full tank of fuel only to have it wasted out the tailpipe because of a tiny sensor glitch that also makes your car fail its emissions test. That is often the reality with code P040C. This code means the computer sees a low signal from the exhaust gas recirculation temperature sensor A. Before the 1970s, cars just dumped unburned fuel into the air, but modern EGR systems recycle that exhaust to burn it efficiently. This specific sensor is the watchdog that tells the engine computer how hot the gas is flowing through the system. If the sensor fails or reads low, the computer gets confused about how much flow to allow, which can lead to engine knocking, rattling noises, and that distinct smell of unburned exhaust fumes. Safety first, though, because we are dealing with the exhaust system here, and it gets incredibly hot. Never touch these components unless the engine has cooled down completely. When troubleshooting this, start with your eyes. Look for black soot around the sensor or the EGR pipes. Soot usually means an exhaust leak, and a leak here throws off the temperature reading, triggering the code. It is also common for these sensors to get coated in carbon buildup over time, insulating them so they cannot read the heat correctly. Sometimes you don't even need a new part. You just need to remove the sensor and clean it with some carburetor cleaner and a wire brush. However, be very careful removing it. These sensors go through thousands of heat cycles and can seize into the metal. If you force it, it will snap. Using a torch to heat the mounting area can help expand the metal and break the rust seal. If the sensor is clean and the exhaust isn't leaking, grab your multimeter and check the resistance of the sensor against the manufacturer's spec. If the numbers do not match, it's time for a replacement. Always use a little anti-seize on the threads of the new one so the next person, which might be you, doesn't have a nightmare trying to get it out.